All right, for this strategy, we're looking at a more scalping type of strategy, but it's a multi-time frame. So we're building it all off the daily time frame, and then we're triggering off the 30-minute time frame. So let's go down here. It is the MA, so moving average daily bull scalping strategy. As you can see, we have a total P&L of $6,260, and the total P&L percentage that it has made so far this year is 25%. So let's just take a look under the hood here and see how this works. So start time, typically we want, a minute or two after. This one we're going to let run right at the open. The reason why is because if we get that big push right off the open in these types of strategies, can make all the difference. So hopefully we can kind of get that bid ask kind of closed by using the mid and ask on entry. So and then we're going to run a 5-minute loop on this. A lot of times, you'll see movers, they might go the opposite way within the first 5 to 30 minutes even before they rebound and go the other direction. So, what we're doing is we're allowing this loop to run throughout the day, and we're going to take this opportunity to get into this position. So it doesn't matter if it's, at noon or anytime like that. We're looking for that 30-minute kind of a confirmation signal on these higher time frame daily moving averages. So you can see here we are above the 26-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, and the 200-day moving average. So stocks that are going to be in this are in a very bullish trend. And then we're just going to take a cross above the 7 unit on the 30-minute time frame. So what we want to see is price cross above that 7 unit moving average, and we're going to let that play out. We're going to buy the 60 delta call, and it's going to be a minimum of a 3-day expiration. And as you can see here, 60 delta, and how we're purchasing this, we're looking for between the bid and the ask. So hopefully that will help a little bit when we're trying to enter maybe in that first couple minutes of the open. And then we have an opening and closing here. So we're not going to use a signal on this. We're just going to use a price change. If it's 30% negative, we're just going to get out of this position. And if it's 100% or more, we're just going to get out of the position. That way we have a nice 3-to-1 risk reward ratio on a scalping strategy. And that's it for the strategy. For more, take a look at the rest of our playbook, and see you soon.